I'll show you how easy it is to build an e-commerce dropshipping store in under 2 minutes with WordPress, or actually choose from more than 700 ready-made websites with just a couple of mouse clicks. First, go to Btheme and open the pre-built websites section. As you can see, there are over 700 pre-built sites for almost any niche you can imagine. All you need to do is click a few buttons, and your website will instantly look like this. There's basically a template for every type of business. Now just click on any template, select Complete Website, and press Next. Then click Start Installation. To make sure there are no leftover files from previous installations, just click Remove, confirm I understand, and press Delete. The installation will begin, and in just a few seconds your website will be ready. After that, simply click Check Your Website. And that's it. You don't need to build everything from scratch. All you have to do is change the menus, images, and text to match your brand. If you click Edit with bBuilder, it will load the built-in drag and drop builder. From here, you can select any section, move it up or down, change numbers or images, delete elements, or add new sections. And if you want to see more tutorials like this on building websites and making money online, make sure to subscribe and check out the next video.